Hi everyone, welcome back. We're here to plan my classic Abby planner for the next week in September. And this week I randomly generated to try a new layout. And I kind of created my own right here. So this is kind of the idea we're going for. Super like rough draft, just like on a paper, and we're gonna try and make that here. And then, well, actually, I think I got these papers out, and we'll just glue them down like so. So we don't actually need those papers. We just need these papers. Hopefully, all goes according to plan. Oh, well, I don't need to glue them, so. Okay, so let's do that. I'm debating if I want to like draw them out or if I want to use a sticker. But I don't know. I'm just feeling it. Let's just go ahead and draw it. Okay, so I'm gonna pick out Color Story because I'm just gonna add a couple stickers that like kind of I'm feeling to, you know, like spice it up. So then I'm picking these color highlighters to use. So I'm just trying to pick Color Story because I'm almost done with the sticker book. So I am so happy with how that turned out. It's gorgeous. So yeah, now let's keep doing the other side. Okay guys, that's all I got so far. I really like how it turned out. I'm super excited to use it this week. I think it'll be like super functional for what I did. It's got another like broken up by section, so I know when I'm supposed to be doing stuff. This will be where I wrote like appointments and stuff. This will be where I write the meals, the activity I do with my children. What was I writing here? Oh, that what I have to clean. Chores, and then these are like specifically like when I will do basically these things. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, please hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell. Yeah, that's all I got. Thanks, bye.